Blessed love to each and everyone. I hope all is well. We do glorify the life giver and the keeper of life in all doings and saying King Emmanuel the Seventh, Adonai God, Jah, Rastafari. It is a joy. Of course, you know the Honorable Priest Isaac here. I'm just highlighting for you our next upcoming online lecture, which will be this Sunday, which is the 10th of January, 2021. We will be having a wonderful subject area, Lalibela, Christ and the Christ Mass. I'm sure many of you would have seen the presentation we uploaded dealing with the amount of Lalibela churches that really exist. Well, that was just a foundation going towards this lecture. And of course, we have other programs for the 7th of January as well, definitely dealing with Lalibela. Everything really coming together on Sunday, the 10th of January, 2021, Lalibela, Christ and the Christ Mass. I'm looking forward to seeing each and every one. Of course, myself, Honorable Priest Isaac, I will be hosting such a presentation. It will start at 7 p.m. Eastern Caribbean time sharp, or 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time sharp again, or 11 p.m. that's UK time. So you, wherever you may be, if you're not in one of these 3 time zones, you could work it out wherever you are for sure. Of course, you know, all payments for the lecture, which is only 20 United States dollars, currency thereof, you can make it via the Cash App, which is the preferable way to make the payments. At Honora 2723. We will leave the link in the description below, so you don't gotta type nothing in. Just go in the description and press the button and it carries you straight to the Cash App. And remember, when you send the Cash App, please send me an email and let me know why you send that, and we will send you your key for the lecture upcoming on Sunday, Lalibela, Christ and the Christ Mass. Of course, you know the email is priestisaac27@gmail.com. So it is going to be a wonderful evening. I'm talking about, again, the 10th of January, Sunday. This Sunday, 2021, online lecture, our webinar presentation, really, Lalibela, Christ and Christ Mass. And if you have not seen that presentation that we put up on the YouTube, check it out. And of course, the one for the 7th of January, check it out. Everything, again, really connecting for the grand event. That is January the 10th. Hey, that rhymes. Yeah, Sunday, the 2021. Looking forward to seeing you there, and we will definitely have a wonderful time. Holy Emmanuel, I, Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. Give thanks. Also remember, even if you don't have the Cash App, just email us and let us know that you really would like to be a part of the event, and we'll find some other way to make that money transfer. And remember, if you are a member of the Shock of the Hour subscription team, this is nothing that you have to worry about. You will receive your key to enter the webinar hall that evening. So that is just a hint to everyone. Once you are part of our Shock of the Hour radio program subscription team, these events is nothing you have to even think about. You definitely will be getting your ticket and your pass to come in. So give thanks. Looking forward to seeing you. King Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. Stay close to the YouTube. Enough things coming now. Yeah. Jehovah, Jah, Rastafari. Blessed be the Lord of hosts, the Lion of Judah. Kedas Emmanuel, Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. Love.